Hey there, I'm Dev. Today I'm back with another service for AWS to help you prepare for your AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. Let's begin. So we will having the following agenda for today. I'll take you to the overview of the new service. I'll introduce you to new service, AWS service, which is there in our Cloud Practitioner exam. Key features, core benefits, and then some common use case, or I would say keywords, which will help you to identify which answer is correct for what questions. Let's dive right into it. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. I hope you all are enjoying it. Okay, so today's service, what you are going to see is Amazon Kinesis. Um, as the name suggests, Kinesis is something with motion, something which kinetic energy kind of thing. So in Amazon Kinesis, we are going to update or manage the data which is in motion. Motion doesn't mean as in motion, but Kinesis includes a set of family services, which means if you have IoT service, some video services, it's basically for live streaming or streaming of data, analyzing in real time, and get the data out of various devices, or let's say IoT devices. So take an example, or there can be question in example like client is having hundreds of weather IoTs. These weather IoTs are sending the data back to the server. So in that IoT's cases where we have thousands of servers or multiple data inputs, one can be IoTs, another can be click streams, logs, everything can be assembled into Kinesis. And in order to get the real time or near real time analyzing, there are particular four sub services, I would say, in Kinesis, which you should know what all these do. Based on that, we have to choose the answer. So Kinesis data stream, which is for ingestion. As I mentioned, various machines, IoT devices, which have a lot of data coming in directly. It's where we use Kinesis data streams. Next is Firehose to deliver the data to transform or to pass on to some another service. Data analytics, whatever data coming in from the streams, we can use real time or near real time data analytics on those data along with the SQL or Flink analysis, and then the video streams, the video ingestions and storage. So for all these different things, we use Amazon Kinesis, and these are the four family members of Kinesis in order to process, manage the data which is coming from various sources, or basically the data in motion, the kinetic energy. You can just remember it that way. So all these things are working together to power low latency, scalable streaming pipelines on AWS. Whenever I see low latency, of course, this again is part of the serverless family. And again, one more common point is this is part of the analytics feature, analytics label. Some of the key features, whenever the question says that they need the real-time ingestion and processing, this is our service fully managed as it is serverless. But along with S3 support, it is also supporting Redshift, OpenSearch, and many other servers or open source technologies which can be used to transform the data or input the data. SQL and Flink analytics, we can run the analytics using SQL or Apache Flink to detect the pattern or any anomalies going into the system. Elastic scalability, this is the this is the feature from what we get from the serverless thing. Along with that, it is done with the help of the shard capacity. Shards is something when we divide, as I was mentioning, big data is, and also when we have a lot of data, terabytes of data, we divide the servers or database into shards. For example, in our database, we divide by indexing something, index keys or primary keys. But when we have a lot of data or in the big data terms, we have shards. Shards are one logical separate uh, instance, or inside the device, there's a separate instance which is doing the updates. I might be confusing you, but this is just for information so that you remember it's related to shards. Video ingestion, as we have seen, one of the family members where especially for video, so we can ingest, store, process the video securely on the video streams for machine learning or analytics or any dashboard you want to create. Some of the core benefits of using Kinesis. Timely insights, as I said, it is near real-time or fast decision. It can help us in improving monitoring, personalization, and fraud detection. Managed operations like offload the cluster, server management, and scaling. We reduce the undifferentiated heavy lifting for streaming workflows because we don't have any servers to manage or maintain, and all it is done with the help of serverless technologies. Seamless integrations along with the S3 by default connect. I have mentioned there are few of these open source connect as well. In your questions, these can come as like the customer want to connect with Redshift or OpenSearch. So these are the keywords. Please look for that. Cost effective again, pay as you go model by Amazon, and it's serverless, so it's always pay as you go. And cost benefits is always the main point for any of the services which we are using. Common use case: real-time applications and infrastructure monitoring. As I said, these are the streaming data, live data, or moving data. So you can get the real-time application click streams. Let's say just like example of Google Analytics, uh, where the clicks are streamed back to the Google dashboard, and we are seeing. So that same thing is called click stream. Fraud detection, because it is going. We can analyze the data near real time. We can analyze if there's an anomaly in the system, and we can detect it. IoTs are different devices which can send data back to Kinesis and that we can process. Now let's see a few of the points which will help you to get into examination preparation. The very first point in this is integration, because it not only connects with S3 but it is connecting with Redshift, OpenSearch, and another tools as well to get the analytics. Always remember which service to use for what. There are four family members for that. So kinetic data streams for ingest or retain, Kinetics Data Firehose for fully managed delivery, Kinesis Data Analytics for SQL or Flink, and Kinesis Video Stream for video. Easiest to manage delivery, which means we can easily connect via inbuilt tools connectors. You just need to put in your secrets and it will be connected in no time. That's all what I have for you today. I hope you are enjoying. In case if you have any feedback or suggestion, please feel free to put your comments and also visit the website to get more. Stay connected. I'll be getting much more details, much more things for you to help you prepare for examination. Till then, good luck. See you next time.